Yeah, bitch, I'm back at it, big matic on cinematic. Bitch, static, get your matic, I get full of matics. Fully automatic, pistol in my strap, man. Pull out with a stack, man. Pull out with a cat, man. Get your weapons, everybody get back in.
What's happening, YouTube? This your boy CJ_GF, and we back at it again with another video. I know I asked y'all about this. I am already recording a series on it, so yeah. I don't know. Shit, went for a blank. Go ahead and like, comment, and/or subscribe on the road to 250 subscribers. Turn that post notification bell so you stay in tune when I drop another live video. Go follow your boy on Twitch at CJ_GF, all lowercase. Same profile picture as my YouTube, so it's not hard to find. Share to all your friends, family, and your pet. Let's get 10 likes on the video. This is gonna be a season rebuild. You know what I'm saying? It's a season rebuild. Shout out GG Bracelets. It's gonna be a season rebuild. So we're gonna be starting off with the Patriots because I got a homie that's a Patriots fan. He didn't ask me to do this, but if you watching this, Nate, this is for you, dog. This is gonna be the first season. We're gonna do 2 seasons in total. We're gonna play every game. Every episode is gonna be a game and a position upgrade if we can upgrade a position. So yeah, let's get it. We're starting off in the preseason. As y'all can, I'm about to show y'all this so y'all don't think I'm on low difficulties. This is all Madden. I did turn off the salary cap because I ain't got time for that, and injuries are off. There's 5-minute quarters. I'm trying to make it kind of short, like quarter games, so I have plenty of time to do what I need to do. But first off, let's look at our roster. First off, let's look at the roster. We're also changing this scheme because I'm going with that. And we'll go with that. New Orleans coach. New England, my fault. You know, we're gonna keep the same playbook. I just need to. We're not changing none of that. I just wanted to change up the scheme. Now we go back to the roster. We got Cam Newton for our QB. Edelman. Okay.
This is the player card. Here you can see
and here we go with this shit.
By looking at their archetype.
I want to see who we can get for Cam. I like you, Cam, but who can we get for pom-poms? I actually won't. I'm gonna try to get Baker. Boom. We got Baker Mayfield. We don't even see. I ain't even want Cam. Off rip. I ain't even want Cam. I'll take Baker Mayfield. Our O-line is okay. We could use a little bit of help. Our defense is 80. That's not bad. Not for starting. Oh yeah, we got Devin McCourty and Stephon Gilmore. I think we got Jason too. We got the brothers. Oh yeah, we got the brothers. Alright, bet. Dante Hightower. Okay. Let's go ahead and play our first preseason game. See how this works.
You have grades. Browse available players to improve your team.
Actually, I'm gonna pick up Colin Kaepernick. And whenever I get Madden 22, we'll be rotating to Madden 22, trying to upgrade our positions. Devonta Freeman. Look, I'm just building fullback, no receivers. Right guards. Yes, I know this is the preseason. We know right tackle didn't have anything. Another for D tackle. Hopefully, this is a playoff team already. Let's pick up Cameron Wake. Corners. Are not really in the need of corners right now. Alright. I think we need to cut. Yeah, we need to cut 3.
Easily see how many players. Here are some recommendations to get you started.
I'm gonna cut him. I'm gonna cut him. I'm gonna cut that dude. Alright, cool. Now let's get game 1 on the road. First off, let's look at this. We still need to upgrade our positions a little bit. It's looking a little bit better. I liking it a little bit. Alright, game 1, let's get it. Let's skip this training, we're gonna play the full game. Let's see how this is gonna go. Let's get it. We gotta play Detroit first. Okay, so I don't got nothing wrong with Cam. I don't like him on the Patriots. He need to go somewhere else. So we gave him to the Browns. Yeah, I think we gave him to the Browns. Plus, I feel like low key, even though I'm not using that team or whatever, I feel like it'd be a good fit for him. So yeah, let's get it. But let's go. We still got a game to see if we can win. Hopefully we can win it. You know what I'm saying? I think I've only used the playbook for this team. Hold up. I think I've only used the this playbook, like the New England Patriots playbook, like in the face of the franchise. Matter of fact, hold up. Let's get it.
Here's the punter, Jake Bailey, ready to do the honors. And we are underway in Foxborough. This taken in about 4 yards deep. And he opts to not bring this one out. The first drive will start at the 25. Detroit gearing up for their opening drive here, led by Matthew Stafford, the veteran, former #1 pick back in 2009.
What I think of Matthew Stafford in Detroit.
All right, let's get it.
And I mean passing numbers. 40,000 yards passed in his career last year before back injury landed on the IR after just 8 games. And to show his value to the team, the Lions lost all 8 games, started by either Jeff Driscoll or David Brown. They need a healthy Matthew
God
Stafford
damn it.
in order to compete in the NFC North.
Incomplete pass leads to 2nd and 10 from the 25.
2nd and 10 at the 25-yard line.
Throwing again. Stafford. That's to his running back, Kerryon Johnson. Yeah, this will be a gain of 5 as he gets it to the 30.
Let's see about it.
Now he's 3rd and 5. Third play here. This opening drive is up against the 3rd and 5. 3rd down. He's got his man, T.J. Hawkinson.
Dang, he got too many yards, bruh.
Complete to
Opening drive, 3rd down. They complete the slant to move the stakes.
And ordinarily, it's a high percentage pass when you throw it. And receivers like to run that route because it gets the ball in their hands pretty quickly. Just a couple of quick steps upfield, bring towards the middle, the ball should be there, and then they can do some work afterwards.
8 yards on the pickup. Brings up 2nd and 2 at the 41-yard line.
This is Johnson.
Man,
He stopped after a gain of 1. Not enough. Still enough to go on 3rd down. Calling a 1-yard gain on the play. And that would make it 3rd and 1. They'll try to go. Here's Johnson. And he's got the first before he's brought down at the 39-yard line.
A gain of a yard.
Clock rolling as we hit the midway point of this first quarter. On 1st and 10, Stafford.
this is gonna be a tough game. I can already see it. This is not what I wanted to see first game. We can't stop him from progressing.
And the Lions first down.
Running from the gun, Johnson. Johnson on
Oh, we got him to fumble. I didn't even do that.
Patriots. And a big turnover there as his guys will get the football back. So out come the Patriots here to get their first shot on offense. And they'll be led out by their quarterback back in the NFL for the first
Oh, we're not
time
even
since
using their playbook. I'm tripping.
Kaepernick.
A lot of defensive coordinators are up late the night before they take on Colin Kaepernick because they know he's not an easy man to scheme against. He can beat you with the big arm.
We're not even using their playbook. We gotta rotate to their playbook for next game, for next episode. I just realized that I'm using my custom. Cause I know for sure that New England do not have the bunch set. If they do, it's a weird bunch. It's a bunch I don't use. Come on, Edelman. Yeah, we got Mayfield running secondary.
That's when your scouting comes to the front. You have to hit on those selections.
And he's taken down at the 43. But on the 4th, he'll be at the first.
Good for a Patriot.
Gain of 9 buys them a new set of downs. A couple of first downs has the football position at the 43 as they come up 1st and 10.
I was almost picked off.
Hold on through the contact. Brings up 2nd down.
I know at times people think we use it too often, but you've got to be able to throw guys open. And when you read zone, You've got to stick it in there before your receiver gets to the next guy in the zone. Otherwise, you bring him into the play.
First.
Would allow that defense to disrupt the pass. 22 yards there, first down. That reception is
Good stuff, Edelman.
NFL catch.
Let's see what our halfback can run. Let's see what our halfback can do.
They'll run for the first time now with James White.
Ain't too bad. We need to upgrade that position though.
To tackle that time to Deshaun Hand.
We gotta get it. We gotta upgrade that position. Not saying right now, or we're gonna do it soon though.
Now this window is running back out of the backfield. They'll be inside the 25 now at the 24.
See, now we got Mayfield on the field.
At the Lions' 18-yard line.
That's complete to his running back, Burkhead. And the Patriots are going to have a first and goal as the tackle made at the 10-yard line. It's an 8-yard pickup, and it leads to a first and goal. A first down throw for Mayfield. And the coverage terrific there as that's knocked down and incomplete.
Wrong player, but it's all good.
They'll go again here from the 10-yard line on second and goal. Throw caught here by Bird. They showed off the athletic Jew. Good little game there. Not a whole lot of real estate. Nice carry. The catch good for 6 yards, but now it's third and goal. They'll throw again. Here's Mayfield. And he's in. Touchdown. Patriots.
Yes, sir.
And they're able to strike first here on the
Also, I'm gonna be streaming. Probably when y'all see this, it's already gonna be out, so ain't no point in me talking about that. But I'm gonna be streaming some more. But I stream on Twitch, so y'all gotta hit me up.
And he gets it to make it 7-0 Patriots. Spans 13 plays. And it ends with a New England touchdown.
7. Lions, nothing.
Bailey now to kick it away after the touchdown. Taken about 7 yards deep. And this will not be brought out. It's a touchback.
At their own 25.
Back on the field come the Lions for their second overall drive. And last time the turnover on the fumble. And they were in enemy territory, so that had to be very frustrating. Down on the scoreboard here, can't do it again.
You nailed every part of what was frustrating. Down on the scoreboard, had a drive going, had pushed it past the 50-yard line, so they thought they were in striking distance, and to come away with nothing. Not a good feeling at all, to put it mildly. Now they can't afford to do that again.
Now can they get that bad taste out of their mouth here?
Second and 10. At the 25-yard line.
Looking to throw again on second down. Daniel. Throw left side complete. It's James. It'll be dropped after a gain of about 6 across the 30 to the 31. He'll get 6. That'll leave him with 3rd and 4. 2 minutes on the clock, second quarter. 7-0 ball game. Coming up at the half, a reminder we go back to Orlando to check in with Jonathan Coachman. I'll have a look back at our first half as well as a look ahead to what's coming up later this weekend. This one caught by Davis.
Man.
And he is going to have a Lions first down by about a yard. It's a gain of 5 on 3rd and 4. He's going to get that to Swift underneath. Swift is hit and he coughs it up. And it's picked up by the Patriots.
Yes, sir.
You know, this is the regular season part of we talk about just how costly a mistake that was, but probably good for him to get it out of his system right now.
Just hope for him and the team it's not a sign of things to come.
Yeah, without a doubt. Plus, got to worry about making the team. Those types of errors don't help.
A first down run, good for about 3. 2nd and 7 coming up.
He was brought down.
Yeah, I don't know if it's exactly a win-win, but if you're on offense, you'll take that kind of a run, all right? It was kind of stacked up. Found a little bit of yardage, and frankly, they're pretty close to staying on schedule on offense. It's still open for the coordinator. As long as you go down to one of the simpler routes in the playbook, always so effective. Nice completion there. Keeps the sticks moving.
First down, Mayfield. He's going to hit his man out of the backfield. Complete. Taken down at the 10. They'll contain him to just 4. Second down.
Second and 6.
On the option, this is Mayfield. And he'll take it into the end zone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, things gonna go easy. Things gonna be tough. You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta say on that. You know what I'm saying?
Justin Rohrwasser for the
CD for them. This has just been an offensive explosion here in the second quarter.
Yeah, held scoreless in the first quarter. Now they find the end zone again here in the second. Sometimes you just have to have some patience. A lot of people think it's always an adjustment. You have to change what you're doing. Sometimes you just have to do your game plan just a little bit better. And I think that's probably what we're seeing here.
Bailey now to kick it away after the touchdown. Take it in the end zone. And not wanting to risk anything here late in the half, he'll just take a knee and they'll bring the football out to the 25. DeAndre Swift heading back out with his Detroit teammates. And Charles, he's a rookie. He's put it on the ground once, maybe defensively. Now they're saying, okay, we can get this young buck to cough it up 2-3 times. He's got to be careful here.
Yeah, they do tend to zero in on the young runners because once one comes out, as you noted, you think there's an opportunity for more. This is where you have to
Nah.
come after you, but we believe in your talents. Take care of the football.
He made too much space.
Detroit gets him across midfield now for 1st and 10. From the gun, here's Daniel. That's complete to Swift out of the backfield. Lions out, use the second of their timeouts as they'll stop the clock with 12 seconds to go in this first half. That first down completion only netted them 3. 2nd and 7. Shotgun snap for Daniel. And he's going to be swallowed up. Sacked back.
Uh-huh. 3rd and 20. What's up with it?
James into double coverage and it's intercepted.
Yes, sir.
By Jonathan Jones.
Jonathan Jones with it. You heard me.
Stages in the first half. New England with a first down as they begin the drive. Time for a final kneel down or a safe run, and then they can head to the locker room with a lead.
Yeah, or they can even run a screen. You know, something that feels somewhat safe that might actually pop and turn into a big play. That's what you usually run in this situation.
Or go 4 verticals because why not?
Because you're feeling it, right? You're just feeling it.
Okay, Brandon, thanks very much. Back to you guys in just a minute as we've started the countdown to opening night. 3 more weeks of preseason action follow this, and then we get it all started less than 1 month from tonight. In our game, most of the starters have made their cameo and departed, but plenty of youngsters out there with a lot to gain or lose as we get you right back out to Brandon God.
All right, Coach, thank you, and we welcome everyone back for quarter number 3. Probably not likely to
Let's hope everything goes good on his return.
as we get back at it underway in this preseason opener. And he'll go down as this drive will start at the 25-yard line.
at their own 25-yard line.
New England trying to get a place on offense. They built a good first half lead. Now they have a chance to add on to it.
What I'm thinking is that the offensive staff spent the entire halftime just working with them on here's what we think they're going to do to attack us in the second half. Nice first half that we've had, guys, but be prepared for some change-ups. We're going to see them bring a kick it out in the second half.
See how they handle any adjustments that might be made defensively. And they'll get it up just short of the 45 at the 44. A gain of 13. It's a first down.
34-yard line.
They've got the lead early here in the third quarter, and runs like that are how they establish that lead in the first half.
I love the fact that you're using the word lead because
And that's caught inside the 30.
Yes, sir.
But not before getting this inside the 30. 28 yards. That's good for 28 yards.
tell the truth, partner. You didn't think he was coming down with that one, did you? Come on, tell me the truth.
No, I did. I'll tell you what, though. A one-handed grab of that length. Talk about giving your team a little juice.
Big time. Everyone's going to be excited about that one, whether you're on the field or not. It permeates its way through the entire team, and I can't wait to see what they do on the next down.
And a pretty good run as he'll get this down close to a first at the Lions 14. 6 yards to pick up, and that's a first down.
At the 14-yard line.
Now White. And a nice job to break free.
White's not that bad. We might not have to get rid of White.
He's taken down right after.
I like White. He's cool.
There to make the stop defensively. The last run got a couple. Here's 2nd and 8. Now here's a look for the end zone, but that one's going to wind up incomplete.
White's doing his thing. We might keep White.
And they will get to him at the 7 and stop him short of the first down marker. It's a gain of 5 on the play, and it'll bring up the 4th down. They'll run for it. This is White.
Looks to me like maybe there's a little attrition setting in.
Yeah, we gonna keep White. We gonna keep him. He pushing. He pushing through.
Last thing they need, especially when they look up at the scoreboard. They'll try and run it into White. And they will stop him after a fairly minimal pickup. They'll get 2 out of that run, and it's going to bring up a 2nd and goal. This is White. And he's up for the line.
He up in there.
Patriots score. James White taking it in. And the Patriots add on to their lead.
That drive that really increased their cushion. Felt very military to me.
He up in there.
Methodical is one of the words you've taught me. They just get it done.
And slowly but surely,
I'm gonna be an asshole.
away a little bit. Things looking good for them here in the 3rd quarter.
Not only pulling away, when you mention that slowly but surely, you also create clock too with a drive like that. So you really give yourself an advantage.
I didn't get it. It's alright.
Your hands seem out there on the field. Those are the best guys ready to make that play.
And let's face it, it was executed well. It wasn't a bad kick. It wasn't anything like that. Just that the normal outcome actually came to play. Analytics will tell you it's a very low possibility of getting the ball for the team kicking it in an onside kick situation.
They're all about the numbers.
All about the numbers, baby. It's a new game now.
They don't line 7 at the Patriots 37-yard line.
Damn, I went to hit the QB and he already released it. I was like, nah, I can't do it.
19 yards to pick up there.
I wasn't gonna get them first. They ended up getting it anyways.
But finally a red zone opportunity here. They have a 1st and 10 at the 18. And he'll get him inside the 15 down to the 14-yard line. Bo Allen on the stop.
A gain of 4. It's now
1
2nd
quarter
and
remains
6.
here in this Thursday night matchup. We'll return with more preseason football on EA Sports. Here's the first carry for Bo Scarborough.
He fell.
Here and get 8. What a game this defense continues to play, huh?
Yeah, they've been aggressive from the first snap, and they've controlled this ball game. But right now, if you're on the other side of the ball, you got to match that aggressive.
And he takes this.
Damn, I couldn't get off the block in time.
Taking it in from 7 yards away.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
A bit closer. People always talk about one of his biggest strengths running the football, vision, and he found the spot there, went into the end zone.
You're exactly right about that. It wasn't just the vision, right? Once he saw the gap, decisiveness, made up his mind about the power to finish the play. Not only did he get good blocking, he created his own space as well.
After the touchdown, now here's Prater to kick. Taken about 7 yards deep. And he'll be brought down shy of the 20, so the decision to bring it out of the end zone, not a good one.
The Patriots take
It's all
over
good, though.
at their own
So the Patriots coming out now. Well, there are 2 scores on the plus side. Still time here in this 4th quarter, but maybe you start thinking about playing keep away.
Yeah, I think here's the situation. You're not thinking touchdowns anymore. You're just thinking first downs to keep up with your team. First downs, they can't touch the ball.
23 yards, the final tally.
1st and 10 at the 41-yard line.
They'll run with White. And he'll be brought down, losing yardage back at the 40.
That was a bad play.
1 yard loss. That's going to bring up 2nd.
That was a bad play.
4 to go now as the clock runs and they come up on 2nd down. That's caught by the tight end, Lacoste.
Mayfield
Only 3 yards on the catch. It's third down.
Brandon, perfect defense.
It happens. It happens.
There's an incompletion that would have picked it off. Okay, so they gave up the completion. But I really enjoyed watching how the defense stayed in sync, stayed in great communication. And as he dragged across each zone, you see him pointing, communicating. There he is, and they passed him off to each defender. Ended up making a nice play, even though it was complete.
And he has the first down yardage before they bring him down right at the 40.
That's Mayfield. That's why I picked up Mayfield, y'all.
He's in motion with a nice 8-yard pickup on fourth.
45-yard
So the
line.
ball moves into Lion territory now. Here's first and 10 at the 45-yard line. Now a throw here, hauled in. 7 yards, the pickup on the pitch and catch.
Nice pickup through the air, and I think a lot of people might expect him to run the ball in this situation, Brandon. But with this lead, they're looking to throw the football. Swings, slants, quick outs, things that they consider safe.
Catch is made by Harry. And he will get enough for a first
Come
down.
on.
And that will lead us to the 2-minute warning.
Hey, okay.
Foul penalty's not going to help.
No, in these types of situations, players will tell you that's extra intensity. From where we sit, it's actually frustration, not a good play.
From the red zone now, Mayfield. He's got Lacoste, his tight end. And he'll be out of bounds, taking it just shy of the 10 at the 11 or the 12. So the Patriots with the football as we get your reset. And the scoreboard on their side, they're just looking to melt away these final couple of minutes. And put this one in the left-hand column. Whistles now and a timeout. So defensively, they burn it here with 1:51 left. A good chance now to put this game on ice. This is first and goal. Flush to his right. And he's in. Touchdown.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Baker Mayfield. I don't even. Hey, I like a move. I like a QB that can move. So.
Break one of our rules, partner, which is to never call a game over until it's over. Because this certainly feels like it's over after that drive.
That was spirit-crushing, wasn't it? And now you just kind of felt the air go out the balloon.
Yeah, they were fighting so hard to stay in there, and they knew they had to stop them on that drive. But when they were unable to, I think you're exactly right. You could see them sag on their sideline. And I think this one might just be
The Lions take over first and 10 at their own 25-yard line.
And Detroit getting set to go now. And certainly this, not the performance that they were hoping for to begin the exhibition season, but still plenty to watch for in this fourth quarter. And now this is intercepted.
Get your ass up. No.
Picked up by Joe Williams.
It's all good.
Set up shop at the 32-yard line.
so many times we end the game, and as we're recapping it, we're talking about what offenses did and how they won the game. Let's flip this one over. The defense, they frustrated the offense the entire ball game. That's why they're walking out here with victory.
And they're going to love to walk out of here with that as their final act, that interception. And nothing but green grass here, middle of the field. And they are going to score again. Yet another touchdown as they just add to their totals. And he certainly played a pivotal role with those 2 TDs and why they're up on the scoreboard right now.
Well, someone's all about winning, aren't they? Because he's not
Damn. Somebody upset.
he's contributing to their lead. He wants to continue to do so.
I'm kicking it terrible on purpose, so they got some yardages.
And trouble there on the kickoff as that goes out.
Put him to the 41. Put him to the 41.
And that drives
Oh, the 40 works too.
when they see that happen, it just doesn't feel right, does it? Plus, you're giving up yardage.
Come on now. Come on now.
First down, it's Daniel. And he
See, they hesitated. If they wouldn't have hesitated, they would have had that.
second down.
Incomplete. Brings up second and 10 at the 40-yard line.
To throw again, Daniel. And he'll find a ball. The Lions Patriots now going to use the second of their timeouts as they'll talk it over here before what will be an important third down. Out of the gun, Daniel. He's going to run it, but this is caught at the 20. And he takes this one in for a Lions touchdown.
Damn.
55 yards. And the Lions are able to cut into this lead. So on third and medium, they dial up the pass, and it works to hit the end zone.
It's really not a surprise to me. That's a throwing down in the NFL because of how tough it is to run the football. But what offenses like to do is still show run formations to make them respect it and throw out of those. In this case, they took a nice shot at the end zone and made it pay off.
They really wanted that onside.
No, you can't at all, and if nothing else, now you've put something that you're trying to practice, right, that you've worked on into a game situation, and now you can go back and dissect it. So if you need it again sometime, you'll find a better way to do it, but yeah, this game's pretty much done for them.
White, the ball carrier.
3 yards on the pickup there, and it'll be second down. 4-yard line. Opting to run again here with one. Still about 3 yards shy of the first as the 4-yard pickup brings it to third down. They'll try to pick this up on the ground with White. And he's going to get this inside the 30. That one good for 13 and a New England first down.
First and 10 at the 27-yard line.
Going on the ground, it's White. Down he goes at the 23, a pickup of 4. Following the pickup of 4, here's second and 6. They'll run with White. And he'll work free from one tackle, but that's about all as he's taken down.
He's brought down at the 20-yard line.
Third down, a run from White.
Game.
Get him down about 3 yards short of the first.
Tonight's final score, Patriots 34.
That was crazy. That was a little bit crazy. But anyways, thank you all for tuning in. We already did our little like pickups at the beginning of the video.
On your team, quickly upgrade your team at the end of each game.
So go ahead and like, comment, and or subscribe. Let's get 10 likes on the video. Once again, I'm only using the Patriots for this rebuild for the homie Nate. So if you watching this, Nate, just know I got you, bro. I got you. Since you a Patriots fan, I ain't gonna sit here and knock them. But like, hey, I mess with it though. This is a good game. This is a, you know what I'm saying, it was a good game. So
once you're ready, go ahead and select advance week to get to your next game.
Next week we play the Panthers. So yeah, well, next episode we play the Panthers. So yeah, let's get it. We up out of here. Share this with your friends, family, and your pet lizard. And that's on game.